everyone, my name is Shayani and welcome back to my channel, and I am so sorry for not posting any videos in last 2 weeks. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys no face picture ideas at home without tripod. So for those who doesn't get it, no face pictures are those kind of pictures where you don't have to show your full face or you can go no face at all. Let me explain. If you're a camera shy person just like me, you will totally get it how tough it is to pose in front of a camera and not feeling awkward. Also, there are these days when your face is not cooperating with you. I mean, you are looking actually good, but the picture's turning out not that good, if that makes sense. So no face pictures are the lifesavers for us. Okay, one last thing, I am not gonna be showing you guys how I click those pictures. I will be just explaining it and show you the results, because you will easily understand how I click those pictures by seeing them. And for some pictures I have made videos on that previously, so there is no point of repeating those clips, right? And yeah, that was a long intro, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Pictures with accessories like dainty chains, bracelets, earrings, belts, watches, especially the pearl earrings and layer neck pieces like I am wearing right now. You can click mirror pictures with them or you can click them as it is. It's totally your wish. So let me show you some examples. Now I have used an Instagram filter called Subtitle to click this picture, and I'm gonna do a little bit edit to make the sky look more interesting. For that, open the photo in PicsArt, tap on the sticker option and search for sky. Then add a suitable sky, reduce the opacity and place it on the right place. Erase the unnecessary parts. Now increase the opacity and tap on the filter button. To match the sky with the picture, I am gonna add an effect called drama. Then I'm gonna crop the picture, and yeah. Here is another example. I have just used a paper strap to click this picture. I am just holding the strap close to the camera, and that's it. Mirror pictures. Now you already know how much these mirror pictures are trending everywhere right now. The best part, you don't have to show your full face, or you can even go no face at all, and that's it. So let's see some examples. If you have watched my previous video, you already know this first picture, and yeah, these are the examples. Paintings, yes. Some of you can say that you can't paint well. Trust me, it doesn't matter. I am not telling you that you have to paint some portraits or a perfect scenery. It can be anything, literally anything, like abstract paintings, designs, mandalas or sketches. For example, these pictures you can see just random paintings of sceneries and flowers. Just find an interesting background, or you can simply make one at your home, or you can use the sky or trees as the background. By the way, I have made 2 videos on easy painting ideas. In case you want to check them out, I will be link it down below, or you can tap the I button, I guess here or maybe here, I don't know, but yeah. Hair. Yes, you can use your hair to cover your face, or you can cover half of your face and you can click some beautiful pictures. For example, these pictures, try to click these pictures on a windy day and try to flip your hair. Just make sure you are not forcefully covering your face with it. Let the hair open and click. Here are some more examples. You can see how simple are these pictures. I have just covered half of my face, and yeah. Now this one is my recent favorite one. I use this trick most of the time. Hold or keep anything, like literally anything, close to the camera, obviously not covering it totally. It will create a nice glare effect, or I don't know what it's called, but yeah, let me show you. Here is a piece of paper, and see, you can use anything like papers, strings, nets, branches, flowers, or even you can use a stone. So in this way the total focus of the picture will not be on your face. For example, this picture you can see, just hold the flower close to the camera and see how beautiful the picture will turn out without any effort. The second example is one of my favorite and you guys loved it so much. Clicked it on the same way like previous. I have just used branches instead of flowers. Same thing you can do with papers, nets or dupattas. So in case you don't know, I have uploaded 2 videos on self-portrait ideas as I mentioned it earlier. So I will be linking everything on the I button and also in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and you liked it. If so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want you can share this video as much as you can, and comment down below which one did you like the most. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye and welcome back. So let me show you some